Pumping gas, unveiled. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used English phrase, pump gas. If you've ever traveled by car in English-speaking countries, you've likely come across this term. Let's explore its meaning and use. When someone says they're going to pump gas, they are referring to the act of filling up their vehicle's fuel tank with gasoline, or petrol, as it's called in some countries. This typically involves stopping at a gas station, selecting the type of fuel, and using a machine to transfer the gas into the vehicle. In many parts of the world, especially in the United States, it's a common practice for drivers to pump their own gas. This means they don't wait for an attendant to do it. They get out of the car and do it themselves. This practice has led to the widespread use of the phrase. However, in some places, only station attendants are allowed to pump gas due to local laws or customs. To help you understand its use, here are a few example sentences. 1. I need to pump gas before our road trip tomorrow. 2. The gas station down the street is cheaper if you're looking to pump gas. 3. She was late because she had to stop and pump gas. The word pump in English can also be used in different contexts. While pump gas specifically refers to gasoline, pump can refer to the action of moving liquid from one place to another using a machine or device. For instance, 1. Can you pump some water from the well? 2. The city needs to pump the floodwater out of the streets. And there you have it. Now you know not only what it means to pump gas, but also a bit about the culture behind the phrase and how to use pump in different contexts. We hope this video has shed light on this common phrase for you. Keep fueling your English learning journey, and we'll see you in the next video.